Good morning, students. I am very happy that Ravindra College of Engineering for Women is going to start an exclusive YouTube channel. This channel is dedicated for faculty lectures. Our faculty will be recording their lectures and all the lessons. You can listen anytime, whenever you are free. You can rewind, pause. You can listen their lectures and so that you will never miss their class. So make use of best from these lectures. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. All the best. Thank you.
Dear students, faculty, esteemed viewers, it's my great pleasure to welcome you all on the official launch of Ravindra College of Engineering for Women, a YouTube channel. Today we are embarking into a new journey towards enhancing education through digital means. This channel is just more than the academic source. In this channel, we create a comprehensive platform to the students in all their aspects, from education to their competitive exam preparation, and even the career guidance is also be given to the students. This channel features content from two different branches, computer science and engineering and its allied branches. And additionally, we cover some topics from electronics and communication engineering, so that it will be easy for a student to explore different subjects, different topics, so that they'll get a best result in their academics assessments. From academic content to academics to the career development, we'll support with all the supportive tools in this channel, such that you can enhance your skills on the emerging technologies, and even you can have the lectures on the topics which you face difficulty when you are attempting your academic assessments. Apart from the academic content, we'll keep you always updating by uploading our contents, like which takes place in the form of workshops, guest lectures, expert talks on emerging technologies, so that it will be helpful for you in your career development. So stay informed, stay involved, and make most of every learning opportunity. So subscribe our YouTube channel.